Good morning, student. Now, today we will see the surface area of a cylinder. Now, before this, already you have studied two objects, that is cube and cuboid. Okay. So now, today we will see the surface area of cylinder. Cylinder means like this shape. Okay, pipe shape. Okay. So this is then how to find the surface area of this shape, means cylindrical shape. We can say this is the like a container also. So the formula for this, first formula, curved surface area of cylinder. So area of rectangle means what part you see in the air. This is breadth, means this is height, this is length. Okay. So area of rectangle, length into breadth. Then circumference of base. If you want the curved means what? This part, round shape part, not the top and base is contained. Means only this curved part is there. So you have to find that area, circumference of the base. Base is what? Circular shape. Then area of circle is 2 pi r into height of cylinder. This is the height. So this is formula is 2 pi r into h, means 2 pi r h. This is for curved surface area of a cylinder. You have to write in your notebook. Then you have to see total surface area of cylinder. Total means what? Here this curved surface area plus the area of this top and base. We know this top and base is circular shape. So formula of this total surface area, in total you required this curved surface area also and area of upper surface and lower surface. So curved surface area you know 2 pi r h, and area of upper and lower surface are same, circular shape. So we know the formula of circle, area of circle is pi r square. This type of two circle, that's why 2 pi r square. So in both, what is common? See here, 2 pi r is common. Here what remain? H. Here what remain? 2 pi r is outside, 1 r is remain. So h plus r. This is the formula to find total surface area of this one. So first we'll discuss about the solved example. See first one, a water tank of a cylindrical shape has a diameter 1 meter and height is 2 meter. Tank is closed with the lid. The tank is to be painted internally and externally including the lid. Then find the expenditure if the rate of painting is 80 per square meter and value of pi is given 3.14. So if tank is here, you have to paint outside also, inside also. Then what you have to find? The tank to be painted internally and externally. It means that the area of be painted is twice the total surface area. Twice means understood. Twice means what? Double. Means you have to color it inside also and outside also. Means the same surface you have to paint from inner and outer. The diameter of the cylinder is 1 meter and radius, then diameter is 1, so radius half of diameter is 0.5 and height is 2 meter. So total surface area, we know the formula 2 pi r h plus r. So put the value, pi is 3.14 is given, radius is 0.5, here height is 2 plus 0.5. This product is come 7.8 pi square meter. But here this is one face area come. We have to paint both side internally and externally. That's why the area of the surface be painted. This is suppose inside, so you have to multiply outside also. So 2 times we have to paint it. To 2 multiply 7.85, it is 15.70 square meter. This is the area. What is the rate? Rate is 80 rupees per square meter. So what is the total expenditure to paint the tank? So we have to multiply this surface area by 80. How many? मीन्स कितना खर्चा आता है उस पेंट करने के लिए. अगर उसका एरिया इतना है तो 1 स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए 80 है, तो इतने स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए कितना? तो इसे 80 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज रुपीज 1256. Second example, a zinc sheet is length is given, breadth 3 meter. How many pipes of length 30 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter made from the sheet? Now this is a rectangular sheet. So area is length into breadth. 3.3 multiply 3 is this one. It is 330. into 3 square meter. So it is what? 330. You have to multiply in centimeter. So 100 you multiply this one, then it come 330. You multiply 3 by this 100, then 300. So area of this one. So length of pipe. How many pipes? Now you have to prepare a shape of a pipe. That height is 30 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeter. It is given. Okay. So if we want the shape of that pipe, means curved surface area. We know the curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, means that is sheet required for a pipe, means one pipe. So 2 pi r, 2 into value of pi is either 22 upon 7 or 3.14. But here this number is divisible by 7. So we have taken here 22 upon 7. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Here this 0 and this 0 cut. So what remain? 2 multiply 22 multiply 5 3s are 15. This product come 660 square centimeter. This is the area of one pipe surface area, curved surface area. So how many pipes we can prepare? So number of pipes means area of this total sheet 330 multiply 300 and area of one pipe 660. This one cut 1 0. You can divide this one by 11. 11 6 are 11 3 are 0. 6 1 are 6 5 are 30. 5 multiply 30 150, means we can prepare 150 pieces or pipes of that sheet. Okay, so you write this solve example also in your notebook. So this is the we will see the practice set 16.2. In the practice set 16.2, 4 examples. Last 2 examples are different. So today we will see only first these 2. Okay, I will solve this first one and this second one. Then you have to solve this second, third, fourth and fifth using the same. So we will see step by step. Then remaining third and fourth we will see next period. Okay, so we will see now this one. Write that formally and solve the example, what example we discussed in your notebook and send the photocopy. See here, this is the cylinder, curved surface area 2 pi h. Total surface area means curved surface area into 2 into area of the base. So formula come 2 pi r h plus r. What is the question? Find curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. So we know these values are given. So for this is first one, remaining 4 example you have to solve. Okay. So now first one we see curved surface area. What is the formula? 2 pi r h. Put the value. Pi is not given. If put first, pi value is 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. Height is 10. If any value is divisible by 7, then take 22 upon 7. If any value is not divisible by 7, then you can take this value 3.14 and simply multiply it. That is the answer. The 7 ones are 7 ones are. Okay. 22 2s are 44. Multiply here 10 ones are 10. So what is this? 440 square centimeter. This is the unit of area. Unit is important. So we found curved surface area. Now we have to find total surface area. We know total surface area is formula 2 pi r h plus r. Put the value. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. So height is 10 plus radius again 7. H plus r. This 7 cancel. 22 2s are 44 and this 10 plus 7 17. So you have to multiply it. Product. So 44 multiply by 17. So 17 4s are 68. 6 here. Okay. Again 17 4s are 68. What is the addition? This is 14 7. 748 square centimeter. So we found both the answers. Like this, remaining 4 example you have to solve. Then next one, this is somehow different. We'll see the second one. Find the surface area. Find the area of base. Area of base we have to find. Okay. And radius. Radius you have to find. Of a cylinder, if its curved surface area is given, curved surface area is given. What is that? 660 square centimeter. Write what you have to find and what is given. Then easily you will get idea. See. Now, curved surface area is given now means 100%. Here you have to use the formula curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Okay. Then curved surface area is what is given? 660. 2 multiply value of pi, suppose here value of pi is given 3.14 in example that is given. Okay, so here we have to take 3.14. Multiply by radius, height is 21 centimeter. It is given. So why this value is given? Okay, so this is value of pi is not given. This is for second. We can take 22 upon 7. Why? Because here we can divide this number by 7. So 7 1s are 7 3s are. This is third example. In book, your third example. First and second year you have to solve. See here. This first one solved. Second, third, fourth, fifth. This one you have to solve. And now I will take this third question. Okay. Fourth one also you have to try. So, if not, then you can ask, sir, not getting answer, so I will solve it. So, 660 here. These numbers 2 into 22 upon 7, no? 22 upon 7 multiply by, so first we will take this one, 2 multiply 22 multiply radius multiply 3. Okay, then this all numbers multiply radius, take left hand side, then all multiply, so it is divide, 2 multiply 22 multiply 3, this side radius remain, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 0, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are 0, means 110 upon 22 upon is equal to r, 22 1s are, 22 5s are. So value of radius is what come? 5 centimeter. So first answer we found, this is radius. Now what you have to find? Area of base. Area of base, what type of shape of the cylinder? Area of base, we know this is a cylinder, so what type? Base is circle. So area of circle, formula pi r square. Put the value 22 upon 7. Radius is 5 into 5. Now see here, this value is not divisible by 7 now. So here you can take this 22 upon 7 is decimal form is 3.14 and 5 5s are 25. So here you have to multiply 3.14 multiply 25. 25 4s are 100. 10 here. 25 1s are 25. Addition 35. 3 here. 25 3s are 75. Addition 78. 78. So here after decimal point, 2 digits are here. No? So here decimal point. So here your area of a base is come 78.50 square centimeter. This is area, so square. Here only radius, then unit is centimeter. That is the important thing. So write these two example and try to solve 4 questions from first, then second example and then fourth example. Try to solve. If you not understood, then ask me next period. I will explain you. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.